Today we're making a layered Café Mexicano. Prep time is 10 minutes and it serves one cocktail. Watch those clean layers come together for a bold, smooth sip. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 1/2 ounce Cajeta, the Mexican caramel, for the base layer. 1.5 ounces Kahlúa coffee liqueur for rich sweetness. 1 ounce reposado tequila for a smooth agave backbone. 2 ounces chilled espresso for bold coffee flavor. 1 ounce heavy cream to float the top layer. 1 pinch of ground cinnamon for a warm finish. 5 large ice cubes to keep the layers sharp and cold. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place a rocks glass in the freezer and chill it for 5 minutes while you gather the ingredients. Lightly whip 1 ounce of heavy cream until it's just thick enough to float, then keep it chilled. Remove the chilled glass and add 5 large ice cubes. Spoon in 1/2 ounce of Cajeta into the bottom so it settles as the base layer. In a mixing glass, combine 1.5 ounces of Kahlúa and 1 ounce of reposado tequila, then stir for 10 seconds to blend. Use the back of a bar spoon and gently pour the Kahlúa and tequila mixture into the serving glass to build a clean second layer over the Cajeta. Measure 2 ounces of chilled espresso into a small pouring pitcher. Slowly float the 2 ounces of espresso over the back of the spoon to form a distinct third layer without disturbing the one below. Carefully float the whipped 1 ounce of cream over the spoon to create the top layer. Dust 1 pinch of ground cinnamon evenly over the cream. Hold the glass level and tap the base once or twice to settle the layers without mixing them. Serve immediately and sip through the cream to taste each layer in sequence. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this layered Café Mexicano, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick cocktail videos.